use your time well, bro. For example, if you're going to have a date and you have agreed that it is 4 p.m., let it be 4. Any allowance, give allowance of 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, please just walk out. Walk out, go to your cage and watch a movie. If they call you later on, pick the phone, tell them the meeting has been postponed until the day you will keep time. Yes, and that's not rude. That is not rude. It is just because you're keeping your time. Yes. Yes. Because they are going to use your time and eat your chips at the same time. Chips and soda. Or tea. Thank you for watching my videos. I would want to give you very interesting videos like this. Before then, our team will be very happy if you are going to subscribe, like our videos, share our videos to other social media users, so that anytime we upload a video, you're going to get the video free of charge. Thank you.